This is Johnny Harris. He's a journalist and YouTuber with more than 1 million subscribers, who travels all around the world to capture and share interesting stories to his viewers. What if we could create the next generation of Johnny Harrises with an awesome group of third graders? So that's what we did. We adapted a social studies unit by making it more project-based. Project-based learning is an educational method that engages students in authentic real-world projects or activities that foster critical thinking, problem-solving, and collaboration. It involves hands-on experiences where students actively explore and construct knowledge, connecting their learning to practical applications. Looking at the third grade social studies unit, I saw these two enduring understandings. Maps help us understand and appreciate the interconnectedness of our world. Changing conditions may influence the way people modify and adapt to their environment and basic needs. The first thing I think about as a learning designer is what professional would use the knowledge and skills students are learning. What type of project would this professional do? Usually I do some research to answer these questions, but this time I immediately knew what real-world context would require these enduring understandings. I went immediately to Johnny Harris's channel. Here you can find engaging storytelling that informs, educates, and entertains people with general interest news and current affairs, where he describes and shares these stories vividly through narration, video, music, and animation. In one of his videos, he explained how he was asked to go out into the field to shoot mini documentaries. And in his words, he used maps to help complement those stories. So this is what we set our third graders to do: capture global stories of changing conditions that show how interconnected the world is through video and maps. First, we examined one of Johnny Harris's videos. Students got to see firsthand how he zoomed in and out of different locations he was covering, showing the big picture and then zooming in to show the activities that was happening ground level, trying to help the audience to get a better understanding of the context of the story. In addition, they saw maps strategically being used to provide information, maps that engaged the viewer and helped tell immersive and compelling stories, maps that showed the interconnectedness of the world. In social studies, students learned about different global stories and saw how changing conditions may influence the way people modify and adapt to their environments and basic needs. They then chose a story that they wanted to tell and share to others, and started the process of creating a Johnny Harris-like video. Using a graphic organizer, they developed a storyboard for their video, and then used digital maps to capture images of different locations that pertain to their story. Students got to use Apple Maps, Google Maps, and Google Earth to capture these images, and used a web-based tool called Ethermap to create markers for specific locations. Here's what they created.
The Taal volcano occurred in Philippines on a small island 65 miles south of Manila. The problem was when the volcano erupted, villages nearby in the Philippines were forced to leave/evacuate, affecting approximately 21,000 people in the communities of Laurel and Angoncillo. The volcano exploded on July 1st, 2021.
I really enjoy taking standards or enduring understandings and connecting them to authentic tasks to not only help the learning come alive, but show how relevant the learning is to the real world. Special thanks to the grade 3 team for collaborating with me, and Kamal for suggesting the Ethermap tool. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay perpetually in beta, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.